Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's start. Okay, okay, so let me see something inside. So let me open this. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, inside we have these coins. That's all inside, nothing more. So let it be aside. Let's check this one. Okay, this is very bad. So let's check the coin itself. 1962 1 rupee coin in a very fine condition. So let it be there. And we got some 10 paise, 20 paise and 25 paise. Here we have two coins, 5 paise and 25 paise, and we got few coins like and here we have three coins, British Indian coins. Here are years are 42, you can see 1942, 1943 you can see here, and 1944 you can see here. So we have 3 years of off-and-on coins, and the next two collections are 5 rupees, 5 rupees Kamaraja, and the another 5 rupee we have here is this is Tiruvalluvar 5 rupee coin. So that's all for now. We have few like 3 half-anna coins, 2 5 rupee coins, one 1960 to 1 rupee coin, and I think these are some extra gift coins, not sure what these are. So that's all for now guys. Hit the like button. Sooner this will be sale on our website also, check there.